check out this $10 garage sale score. Air compressor is going to go right here. This came with it. Hold on, you got to see the other pieces. This came with it. 1/2 inch MPT. And this on the back side. So I think what I'm going to do is mount this little booger somehow and run it out the wall. Comment, tell me how we all would do it. Remember, air compressor is going to be right here. Got this guy. And I got this guy. That would also work out the back of the wall really well too. It's, I'm going to go with, that's 3/8. It's not 1/2 inch, I don't think. That's 1/2 inch. That looks like 3/8. How would y'all do it? So, hose reel is going to be up here. Going to put one more hose reel in. Making progress.